Good evening, ma.
Good evening, my sweetheart. How are you?
I did fine, ma.
How things?
Thank God, ma. I hear your message very well.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. But the thing I want to make you help me pray for, because when I'm on Italy, that is when I know my husband. It's like 5 years now we're together, but I don't know why now in the talk say I want to make you go do road work. I beg, I don't know what thing they make and they talk like that. I want to make it change that word when they talk.
He say your husband say me go start a road work.
Yes, he thinks say I don't know what he thinks say they bring our quarrel.
How many children? How many children you get for her? How many children you get for your husband?
If they tell me like that, say he wants make I go do road work.
But how many children you get for your husband?
I get 2 children for her.
2 children. Now your husband say me go back to road work.
Yes, I get 2 boys for her.
You are from where?
I'm from Isha.
Your husband is from where?
He's from Delta.
Delta, ma?
Yes.
He not love you. If he tell you say me go roads, he not love you. Or maybe he get what you do one. Where he go tell you say okay if not.
My husband really dey nice. He really dey nice. He do everything for me, but I don't know what always they bring this quarrel. I have tried all I could, avoiding everybody because of him, avoiding my family. But yes,
wait. Not be too often I said today before yesterday.
Yes.
But your husband tell me say now your mama. Your husband tell me say now your mama say me go road work. Now what did he tell me?
Big lie. I know say they watch you now. That's not big lie. He just wants a way to explain things to you.
Where he say your husband they call you every day 2 times say you don't want again.
Yes, that's not big lie. So I tell him say instead for him to tell me say make I go road work, instead for me to do that, I go stay there for here. They wait till when he calm down. I come, but if he still not calm down, I will still be here waiting.
How many times your husband don't tell you say me go road work?
I cannot count. I cannot count.
Even when you deal with her for inside bed, he still they tell you?
Yes.
No cry. My brother, you dey online because you dey follow me. How can you tell your husband, your wife may go to a shower? Wife will born 2 children for you. Is there a place for you when you want to do the ashawo? You don't find the place for you.
You don't find anything for me.
Now, where you want to go do the ashawo? Jamie?
I did France.
I know where you want to do the ashawo. Now, France, you have been where?
I don't know, but I know it because I never do. As I call you the first person when I deal with. And I deal with her. I never reason somebody else. Even if they use me, they set me up for phone. And they see after night they do. I don't ask her many times. If you don't want me again, tell me. Because I never cheat on you.
Which kind of thing be this one? After 2 children?
The children deal with her.
Now your husband sees your children now. Not be you with her. Now I settled 2 of you yesterday now. You not sleep there again.
But yesterday, I didn't sleep. Yesterday, he told me I go back.
Yes.
He told me I go back because he asked me for money. I said I don't get money. He told me I come out. He pushed me outside.
Your husband asked you money, say me give her money.
Yes, he said me I borrow money. I said I don't get.
How much he said me you borrow?
He said I give him 50 euros. I said I don't have.
True, you not get?
I don't get because my sister, he don't ask me for money, and me a day alone. I don't get food for us. I need to buy things. I explained to her, but he just vexed.
How can your husband tell you say me go do a shower? May you wait. I get the number here. Wait. If you're not Benin person, I go say na so Benin may abuse here. My brother, if you are watching me, I never believe because your husband tell me say na your mama. Now he say me go do a shower.
It's a lie. He say my mother they call me too much. My mother they call me too much. Okay, because of that I stopped. I tell my mother, even they asked me this evening, tell me my mother they try my number. I say make she not try my number again because my number no fit go for her again.
Okay, now how many your husband number end? Now 06 Abi. Now it end.
End with 10. 510.
510. Make I find number.
I'm there for WhatsApp.
Oh, may you hold on. Oh, now wait. Hi, Jesus. My husband, a very responsible man. Brother, we pick a call. Hello, brother. He said, brother, what? Really, I to one ever so can wait because I was surprised him. Mujane, brother. What a man or yak bachawo?
Because the way
what more you know to man or yak bachawo?
Yes, more time.
Where was your brother?
Not here, Again, I'm like, but me friend, only more really quality. We are. Madame no more. You know what? Madame here a day or as well. You know, say we are. You know, none more they do. Bien, nous before when we document, if you never get document, you go the stock affair. The period is people, you know, let me the rest.
Okay.
They go marry you. They say, go marry you. Now, woman go to join them. You go to join people. Now, I say, yeah, now let you go carry cookie or you go to White House. Now you take get that kind of money go to give your people.
Okay.
Now tell her, God help the thing. He no one follow me. You want to tell him this where I did tell follow me the plan. That will say he take get document for Italy. To do everything they do okay for us. Now me follow this my plan, take document for Italy. I carry our contract for one, go commission for Italy. I carry our contract, of work for one. For a year, I do operation where they give me 10 years because after I like the story. If people want to know what I say they get document for a year, if people they be awesome, as people they awesome, if people will take the IFB. You know, they said the IFB. They don't let me the rest. They tell me they pack all the money where they give me, they pack all the money. What make me collect this children for a year? I need to go to school. He don't finish school. My kids there money where they pay my kids, and then want to send over give a family.
Give a family. Okay, now make you collect the children from her.
Yes,
okay, now the way family they disturb and I make you tell her say me go to a child so that I can make the pack money give the family.
Make go see money go give the family. Because in my mom they call her 5 times every day for my house. I go tell her you know the year. After they talk, if I find my mom, they call me.
5 times in a day.
Me and the family they don't, it's senior brother and daughter. They don't do everything by us to make sure they kill me. Now God just save me. Because I'm not the fact. I mean, make cannot do a child. I mean, make cannot do a child. I mean, make cannot follow black boy. I mean, make cannot. But as it comes, it may me people they laugh with me. I carry. I said I go build up to my state. Now I say build up to my state. I build just want to my state. Even if I call them, go tell social. Even if I call them, go tell social. He don't call police for me 3 times for this one. The last time when police come, like I don't even get documents. You know the thing now, this paper where I get where I show police, the person might go sleep outside. This woman, if people will get now small pikin, the people will get ask her, make he call her, give me ask her and say, I don't ever call her apply any plan where never succeed.
How old she be?
28 years.
And you come?
I be 34.
34. But if not, I'm settled with Vavinetia, and I will not be a kenuje.
Yes, because again now, it's not soon. Not that you go because I have a daughter in Nigeria, 15 years.
Okay.
If I not said to tell the Nigeria, the bring some money come for him, I pay for years. I can't pay the money. I'm not going to get too much money again. I can't say if I go pay for him now, money no they mind again. I can't say make a fair way. Because him I go pay and say I don't pay go. He say will give me for his time. I tell him this one not give me in your way. Say go give me.
It can't be 50 euro.
No, you're not giving me money, not TikTok. When I want to say, why you not give me the money, say me I go pay, so why you not give me your own time? He said me set up I will give my daughter for Nigeria. He said if you keep away there, me never take over film, me go to take over all day for Nigeria. Now then for tell us I not very across there, that was very. I go see my pikin where I go, I go take off. Who be the papa? You want me my pikin go do prostitution? You want my pikin go be bad, go be papa dey alive? Make I not pay my pikin school fees. Make pikin not chop. Because if the woman, the one they take off for this one, they take off the whole Nigeria, all of my children. The one they take off this one, they take off all of them.
Yes, all of them.
This woman make me? This woman, the people they want to do with me. Now prove, let me tell you all. Now make her, you not carry me go court because I get proof of everything. Go court and defend us.
Okay. Okay, if you carry you go court, you go win now because you get proof.
Yes, if you carry go court, he know say I get proof. If you carry go court. Now make her, you know, carry me go court. If you can't go court, we'll give the children to government or they give me the children. Me, I cannot leave my children for any woman to use my children's destiny to a family. Two of us to take off our children. If you not agree, government will take off the children.
Okay.
Then you go enter street, I go enter street. So, but what happened? After this girl come me, then 50 Europe, now I come to the class, and I take career. From there, I start to the airport, they come. Even the first one, the airport, if people come, because I never go defend them, at the airport, people come, they thank me. Mama, you need to get document for this country easy.
Not easy. Now family want just scatter this marriage. God not go free.
Then I give this girl. If I talk to her, I like this girl story. Now me for friends everything. Only that document I know what I do for this girl. This girl know they give them to respect me.
Yes.
This girl too. I tell her, but if you tell her say it's not so do if you don't got to start to talk now, your mama don't tell her go this thing. Say call her they say in your younger sister don't go for you. If they can go this country now, as we talk now.
Mama doesn't want to go Africa country.
May go pay Africa country. May go pay 3 million. My dad don't carry that one come out now.
May go do a shawo.
May go do a shawo.
3 million naira.
For Dubai.
For Dubai.
As we talk now, This my woman now, he carry that matter for head now. He carry that his sister dey for Dubai matter for head now. I never get document. When they pay me for when they pay me the people dey for me because I dey help the people. I dey help them. They dey for program. They help them. Make it come, make it out, make it talk. If I want some money for my if I want some money for my daughter, this one is not the thing because it's not a problem. But if I want some money give the people, it's not the problem. And the same money go to give the people, but it's not the problem. That's why the key where I born, you will say I want some money for her. You if I so you talk of not with this. But they will make me spend money give my kid. I want carry my daughter from here. I want carry her from here.
Okay, you want carry her conference?
The same they keep the proof.
Okay.
Now make her see that the receipt what say money give my daughter. The same he know say that I keep tell him. So that in case I go for they will show thing like picking. The property is take off and take the same money for her. I think the social tell her to make it they say they pay me every month 160 for per one picking. Now they pay me. I think they now that they tell people for Europe, man, take off your children, man and woman are 50-50 for Europe law for concerning picking. I think they now if you're ready to calm down, we'll stay together. If you're not ready to calm down, everybody will go. But my children, I know will give her my children. If you let me grab the open, I know will give her. I know. I can take care of picking very well. I know will give her.
Okay, now. Okay, now. My brother, we may settle why Ivana. What you will request here, Zona? It's
not way. But my picking, my old picking, he said me no pick money for my picking.
You know what we best Zona, we know Zena.
Wait, he said not pick money for my old picking. He had for the house. And they tell us these children, now what picking I bought for them. These children this is brother also. They don't have blood. If I take off this one or tomorrow, now this one can, if maybe I'm not here, this one can help his brother. It can help his brother. They can help each other. They are getting the same from me. You are depreciating my children when I'm alive. Who are you to depreciate my children?
Okay, now, as the children there with you, now who they collect the children money? Now you?
Everything, but me, if it does work now, he will call the pay me for 150 years, they pay me 150.
If she does start work, she go come they pay you 150.
No, for 150 years, they pay me 150.
Two go be 300.
320.
320, she go they pay you.
Yes. The loan are 50-50. If there's no tell everything, you know. If you not pay, I can't go court will decide.
You know, carry and go, I beg.
Make I see here, if you never take off the thing, it's not feeling you won't take off your family or your sister for Nigeria. Work us together, document. Let's plan together. You go to work, I go to work. We'll take off children, you say no. You won't do it. Well, I'm not telling you conference here. You reach and you won't betray me. Now look at this girl. When we continue to say they go back, if they go back to Italy, he say won't go to Shoro. I tell her, patient. Now patient. Now you not spend. When we call you, not spend these 2 years before they give us 10 years.
I beg. Now beg. I want to beg you. I beg. We're not supposed to understand each other. I beg. That road work, where you tell us, me go to a shower.
If I don't watch you, this one will tell me, say, you go say, I'm not watch you. Now you tell me, say, I'm not watch you.
She gonna tell you, say, me, you know, they watch me.
Yes. How come?
You see,
I told her, say, you dey give us advice, not to make mistake.
you.
But I can't just come up for here now. He doesn't know me, I call they wash me. As they wash me now, because it's not true me, he say they wash me.
Hi.
Now what do you see for it? Now what do you see for Europe? Husband and wife now 50-50. Now time we take from men, they not feel start picking papa. They not feel bad picking. You go leave everything for your wife. Anything you see, you go bear it.
Okay.
The way woman take off picking, and so much they take off picking. For Europe, yeah, now woman say they see work fast man. Go look at them, so women like they work. But for here, our men, they don't want. They will say, no, your mama don't want me to talk to my picking. They don't want to talk to my picking. If they didn't pick you feel bad. You feel bear papa.
Now the children now where you collect from how old are they?
One day for 2 years, one day 3 years.
You won't take care of them?
Oh, you know what I can do. You know what I can do.
2 years old baby.
Before social, I fight with social. Before social, they know my capacities. They know what I will do.
Jesus Christ.
People when they talk, people when know me, if they hear about me, they will tell you.
The way you they talk, you tell nice.
And they cook. And I make they cook, I make they do everything for us. If I fight for video call, I go see my house. I don't clean everything. I don't watch. I clean everywhere. I don't cook jollof rice. I don't cook stew. I don't cook everything for the house.
2 years old picking. You want as a man, but you as you be so you know if you walk, you know if you walk again.
I feel work. Why not feel work? If I drop them for class, I'll drop them for class. I'll drop them for school. They are going. I they go to school.
You can't go your school.
I dey go school. If I won't, because I dey go morning afternoon, I go send it call me look the children. This man go dey complain. For you know children again. If I send you video with this man talking not to take off the key, it's supposed to be lesbian. You not go believe.
She said she's supposed to be a lesbian.
Yes, he said he's not supposed to be a mother. Every time you talk to her, I have the proof.
How can a woman go just talk say not supposed to be a mother?
You say not a woman's person. I get the proof, I get everything.
You see?
If I give judge only that for judge, make now judge who judge won't give her the speaking.
So you get the proof. When she they talk and you record down.
Mama, I say all those are small proof. Our women we say there's a need for shoe make more for us. Make the call for shoe make more for us.
Okay.
If I do, if women like this, they for like me for Europe, women all women for the state for us now. All women for the state for us now. If you know what state us now, let them go do anything you want to do. It go they pay me, make it go they work they pay me.
Yeah, so now she work on they pay you. So after now, you go call the answer single father. Yeah, brother, where do I want a single father? Because he got paid, no one will be a single father.
I don't need the single father. It doesn't make
okay, you okay, you don't let him be single father.
Yeah. Because the picking, if I leave the picking for me, I go the piano. I go the piano, it go there after the enjoy. So go the piano, car go the piano picking money. Me go the piano that money joy. But unless I go the like my picking whenever it's 3 years and they go pay down every month separate. Then me go if I dey work now, still pay down and join them. You know how much you go to collect every month. If you collect all that money, you not go to work. If people go to enjoy for us, then me go there for suffer. I go to suffer. Now make I this man come from here.
You, I beg. We want settle two of na brother. What matter? Where you love her, yeah. I think we follow where if there is a marriage. I have settled a lot of marriage in this program. Where you love her, yeah, matter.
The problem is that if I tell her, you know, ask only the question where me ask if you know me, I don't ever come and apply anything when not work for her. If I tell her, say, that's how I want this person may be. That's how I want her. If you call the following day, do like that, move at the age, make yourself, I'm not going to like her. I'm not going to like her. I'm not going to like her at all. I'm not the oppressor. Mama, you don't decide to make man. You know, I say, you work with them for house, now we dey do our house, cook you, everything. I know they say, at the point for the work like saying they find document for you, like saying they find something for you. I need to go carry food, I need to go do everything.
Okay, now may you listen. Okay, listen, I want to ask one question. Hold on. Hello, my baby.
Hello, ma.
Just listen. You still love your husband, yes or no?
If a woman to like man, no problem. Let me do so. So nobody go ask me whether I like him. Now they need to ask this time because I have tried. I think he don't judge now. If he judge like this for court, I think he go win. But in respect to protect my children, if he wants to take me to court, I will be ready because he got a proof, a lot of proof, but I got just one proof for him. But in the protection of my children, what I want, if he wants to eat money, any money he wants to eat, let him eat. Because I also like to work. I want money I work for.
Okay, now you want make a settle two of una? You want me to settle two of una now? May you go take care of your 2 years old baby.
You feel settle us, but you are not his family. I think I know in a family that they say family now they marry a woman. If his family don't recognize the woman they want to marry, how is it marriage? I have tried. I don't know how you feel to settle this issue, but I have tried.
Hello, brother. Were you in love her, yes or no?
Mama, you as I did so, me not there for, it don't say where I don't love.
Okay, you not love him again?
Waiting me careful. I don't get love for any woman. Waiting me careful. I care for, we'll get together, take off our children. As a husband and wife. If you say no, if you say no, they can go in and do my own. If you say he get proof, I can get proof, so we'll go court. The picky, I'm not going to leave her for him. He's not going to leave her for me. Government will take over. Two of them will enter straight.
No, it's not going to happen like that.
You see,
it's better me if you not so, may you take care of her. No. If government collect and those children go, they're not going to eat better food. They'll come to no. I don't want to make kunaka. If you not so, thank God say we actually there not far from your place. You go come to see our children. They're there with their papa, now still the same family will not be. Or mama na guera or so or mommy. Okay? No, it's better than go with your government. We ma only what police ye case now. I don't want make police enter. If you don't want they together again. Because now you don't clear and now say you don't love again. But you want make una take care of the children as husband and wife. My beautiful baby, you understand now? I mean, you don't want to like that. You want marry?
Me, I want to stay with a man, but he don't want to stay with me.
You.
He don't want me to stay with him.
Hello, brother. My best statement is not giving now. Only a total care when you only a marry. Brother.
Mama, you again now, if I tell you like, me, I know this is your condition. I be there and they come. This guy need deliverance. When you have to deliver, only the deliver. I tell you so. I told myself, I think one man will go for deliverance. We'll go for deliverance.
Or disrespect you, or yes or no? Or disrespect you?
Or disrespect me, and I thought you would be no issue.
Well, you disrespect you, I tell they disrespect you.
They disrespect me like say, Mutana mate.
You gotta talk to you like say una be mate.
Like say don't talk for the drug. If I talk see what say, if I really speak for this woman say for 2 seconds, you not go agree. No, you go they call me.
Okay, if you leave the children for us, you know if you take care of the children where? Like the way you go take care of her.
If I talk clear, make it talk. If I talk clear, if I really speak for this woman, as a man, I'm not going to go outside and say, man, stay with my friends. But we make discuss for 1 hour, 2 hours. This man don't call me. This man don't call me.
Oh, well, you go just cause me you come house.
If I not come, if I lose force, if I not come, if I reach out, now they are not comfortable for me.
You not call the quarrel.
If I talk to this woman, this one go stay for Domot. They go stay for Domot. They go want make neighbor call police. If his neighbor not call police, go call police.
I cannot force you, my brother. As you say, you not love him again. Wetin I go do? I want to make she start to do my prayer points. Let's see how things go work out. You know? But may police not enter this case. I beg you in the name of God. She know what to do as a mother. If she start to work, not collect money from her.
This matter so police not enter.
But now police not there again now. As soon as be so police not there.
He can't carry my phone from my house here. Wait 2 days. He can't carry the phone. I tell them the phone come. He not do the phone. Now something go police job. Go tell the police collect the phone for him and give me. Police, the court say may not they call this as again, but I also police of may not they call this as. I still live on. Make it the
police don't want to say may not they enter where children day again.
Police say no fear enter this house. If you want to enter there, you go court, you go talk to me, you go to see children.
Jesus, she will be woman.
Not be by woman. Europe now 50-50. Woman will not be by woman, Mama Yori. If you know your right, not be by woman. Europe now 50-50.
Jesus.
Woman not by Europe. For anything concerned speaking now 50-50. As the city go what they do with me, I let you look there, they do with me. If the woman don't carry the ticket, the woman told the ticket for Bele for 9 months. If the woman say, okay, woman now will carry the ticket. It goes the person may not here. Now, as you get down like the declare may not see the taking, so you will see you will carry civil government, make go with government, make talk about this here, make it see how they give for body. Make it see the person where they give for body. If you can declare Papa may not see the taking, then we go see the declare not to see the taking. The government will carry on. Two of us will go switch. Our two, you know, okay.
Here, I mean.
Yes. Because my picking makes me the suffer for my life. I'm not getting what you suffer for.
You just need the money.
What I want to tell you now, if she start to the work, not collect money from her, my brother. We are all one. As a mother, she know what she's supposed to buy, can they give her children. Say you want your fees and make sure they pay you 300 euro. May you not do it. Yeah? I bet just because of the love you have for her. Remember the time when you take those time.
Oh, I'm not here to see. You see what I do for this country. Woman will get CBPK for 1 month. They hear me, Mama.
I hear you, my brother.
Then,
the thing just weak me.
Okay,
I hear this thing before. This ain't a lie. I don't know say woman they pay man for Europe.
I suppose the man for the work, the man for the cook before picking. Then they pay the man 1,000 naira. The man will pay for your house, will pay for before picking. How the man will take it out to say? That time I never frustrate.
Yes.
That time I never frustrate.
Yes.
I was talking on every day, so there are men who they take off their picking the way their woman take off their picking. When they take off the way they take off their picking. Because not people now, only woman, not their picking. For you, okay, if your wife not well, now who take off the picking? But you go take off your wife, take off your picking.
Yes.
So I mean, they don't know that one. They go say na woman.
Okay, now my brother, I want to ask you one question. Ogelera wori onu ami 300 euro temata. Oga so enwe na.
Oh. No, I mean, I don't collect. I don't take a table. I go walk. Yeah, na.
Oga duk no ke.
I go walk. Me appreciate students for that bana. Yeah, by a class. Yeah, no. Very soon, or we run away like the other Johnny man.
Okay.
Why do I? I have a daughter. My daughter is 15 years. 15 years now again. Okay, imagine the same will be my own daughter. Maybe I cannot train my pikin. Maybe my pikin. Okay. After, if I'm not train my pikin, I'll tomorrow my pikin come to the shower. They're not open. Now maybe useless of her. The people there at the back on, the people there at the take off, the people there they do everything for them. Only they say alone at the car, they go to the car, they do everywhere alone. And when they go up or down, only me want to take me down. You are telling me not to send money to my old daughter. Who is that person?
This matter, I don't even know I want to settle on because you say no love not there again, but and she said she still love you. She want to stay with you. Ah, brother, what give any here? The
problem is that, let me tell you the truth. If you come with me now, this children will collect her. You know, I will collect these children. It doesn't go report for social.
Okay, she don't over report you to social.
Yes.
Now social can't separate you of una like this.
It doesn't report with this social. What is the social not do before? Social won't give us the children, they'll call for the children for him because of the mistake where he didn't make.
I don't know.
When he said to start saying, "I don't collect the kid," we talk about the follow in the fight me. If they like that me for to start saying me, because I gave you a passport in 10 years. I tell them say, if you are fighting me with the European Union. You can't do me nothing. You are fighting me, you are fighting the European Union. When I tell her that word, that is clear. Because I'm not European Union passport, the passport, I'm not free. If you are fighting the European Union. After I did that, that's social, not the one, not the two, not the three. All of them did against me. They tell me they shop away, like a kid. They not say, what are you saying? What for them like make me not shout? Make me not shout. You say to some people tell me, say, how much they pay me for every month.
Okay. My brother, I understand you. May you wait. Hello, my baby. You cannot force a man may marry you. Which I go advise you.
I cannot force him. But Mama Yole,
yeah.
I think all he has to say is because he won't carry me go court. If you want to take me to court, I think
not they go court, not talk of court. What I want me will talk now.
Mama Yore, because this man got my nakedness on his phone. He said he go show the side they crazy. But then when they discover I'm not crazy, what can you do me reach when naked me? I think you'll be able to explain it,
But brother, we're gonna a picture of nakedness of
this man.
Hold on. We're gonna nakedness a picture of
When this guy come for Italy, this guy say because of say no see money. Now people are saying if I make it go do work. This guy say he won't go back to Italy. He say if I don't let her go, he go job follow window. This guy naked, he won't job follow window.
Now you video on.
Mama, you are dead. I say this girl, if I go
I don't want the cat to be a lemon when I video.
What is it they don't do? They go the problem. I'm not cause problem because I don't know how tomorrow will be. Tomorrow comes now, maybe at tomorrow now. Maybe I'm not well, maybe I don't feel like my own I don't go show them one type thing. Maybe who are you picking? That time I still go love.
Okay, maybe what's up, brother? Hello, here we see your husband talk. Hello, when we not that from where now?
I'm not the Yabini.
You hear what he talk? Say you talk, say if you know, you say you want to go back to Italy, if you not go, you want pass window, now make you naked.
Jesus Christ. Over okay. That time I just born. I did 1 week when I born. Me not remember what happened then. Now you come tell me, you say my parents send me I can't do a shago. And that is the worst thing where I go hear the person tell me. Because I've never tried that thing when they talk so. Not talk to my parents again. Not talk to my parents because they did not send me to this. Now my husband take talk say, okay, if not my parents, they will send me. Then my partner, my man, and they tell me, say, me I can't use my to do a shago, me I can't give them the money. Now it's nice dress, me if you tell me this word again, I'm going to kill myself because this way they talk na lie. After he don't beat me finish, he can't begin to as I can't fight some but now he take a info, he can't video me. This case so is so social for France here. What happened for Italy? And this speaking when they drag so when this speaking they 5 months for my belly denier. He talk about public say I carry bastards when I don't know who gets. I wish that speaking never reach. I for abort her. But because I never know that I'm going to stay with such he goes like this. Lawyer, that matter, the lawyer tell me for Italy, say, if he return this word again, then he will show him what it means to say a word like this in Europe. And today he's dragging the child is my own, because of the money. All the money when they expect this speaking for Italy, ask him where he gave. Plus my own. I assist this man when I come. Go rich now. He wants to eat me. What do you want me to do? At the end, you work like a woman to say, I'm enticing you. How can you entice me? If you don't love me, you can't entice me. Because I'm the one who loves you. You just forcing me to stay. Say the truth. It's very clear. Stop allowing me to tell somebody, don't talk to me. I'm married. If you are not ready to be with me, if you don't want me to stay with you, don't allow me to stop somebody for talking to me. I have shown a lot of people because of this man. And yet, this is the result.
It's okay.
If he wants to take me to court, let him.
No court. What's me and what? And I make you relax. I will give you prayer points. So you go to see your children for weekends. Okay? You can even sleep there if you two of now understand. You can go there on Friday, you come out on Sunday. Okay? Don't worry, everything will be alright. Yeah, wait at all. Everything will do okay. Don't worry.
This man knows, say, my family, they want me, say, anything robo. And when I did Nigeria, now these people now avoid pass. But when I enter this place, I still have to say, what is the meaning of that? I have to be, even when you tell me it's not robo, okay, no problem. We'll be together. And now this is just the truth. Like this, like I tell my sister, when you still robo man, run for 40 because this means see that man is face to face. Eh?
He not be robo, na he not be na.
Now robo man he be. Which means some robo.
I don't know.
Okay, say na Benin grow up.
Now tell the for born now. Now his father is not from Benin.
Don't do me one region. The thing just touched me. I don't even know how I want to settle now. But God will give me solution. Thank God say I get your number, I get your number. If any problem they call me, not call social again. Because social and police too. Not call them again. we go settle am. Yeah? May you relax. No carry this matter tell your family again. Brother, you too. No tell your family anything. We go settle am. Changes go dey. No disrespect you again. Okay? The problem ya roti me ume private number me ya ruwe. E ma we ya line now.
The problem is that as you know here now, social, if as you don't go check social example, even if I come back now, they will also with the quality of making they don't stay with us. If I don't want to stay with each other, because here why I been on for 6 years I did. If I don't come up for a year, I don't lay maximum 6 months or 5 months. They'll take me my whole personal with the answer.
Okay.
If I don't from there, we take this to get from the color of our free come up of this city. If we go that city, not go that social again. But now I do that social.
Okay.
They can talk about that social, and we'll see this if we change. If we change, we'll get together. But if you not change, I don't think we can.
Until you are now, my sister.
Only one want to take off the kid.
Okay, it's not 2 of now go take care of her. We know
now.
now.
I'm not go for make up any money. I'm not go for anything.
Okay.
I think work. For me, I don't work for person because I don't get documents. I think my son has to work. He go to work. He will take off the family. I will take off myself. Take off my family. When the one be say I call the work. Go there, my family. I will work. My money will try to give the family. I will not accept that. I will not accept that. It's not me to do that one. Because it's not me to do that one. That means I have to go to other country and look for document. I cannot go to other country and look for document because document is very difficult. Then anything that want to happen because I cannot I don't know how to keep it. 2 of us take off the picking. As husband and wife, the children, my 4 of us will take off. If you go to work and they go to my work, take off yourself, I take off myself. If you carry out the break out for the house, you get your people. I don't think you take off your family. If your people see me for to give them, one thing may not give you. But not the one to say you want to know, you want to collect children from my house, maybe because they work for you, make children do with you. I will not accept that. If somebody to give me children, I give you children to government.
Because of money.
Wait and rich, I collect children from government. My minister say no, they take it. That's why I can't give you. Because as I tell you now, I get for big house. Because only one now, they give us place now. That place of man of theater, woman of theater. Let me tell that place me for them. And that place me for them now. I wish not be saying I see that again. So you want to cage me for one place. Then you will go for place. You carry maybe 30 costly, 30 not costly for two.
Nobody is caging anybody. You want the children.
I'm not the problem, my own. Not the problem.
Okay.
The problem is if I don't come for you, if you change, we'll do together. But if you continue with that family problem, for me, I don't think I can carry it. I tell you,
hello, hold on.
If you won't be down, for my own.
Yes.
I tell you, if you won't be down, but I need to settle now. I think you won't be down. You go be if you want to won't be down, you go be down for yourself. You go use the pikin to be down. All you know. Then if he don't maybe like that trigger the house. He say we go be down for papa. We know the second last born. The first person wants to say we go be down for papa. If the papa there, who there be my senior brother the house.
Yes.
Now I say most of you down one. Okay, if your papa there, who there be my senior brother get there. What highest thing you go do? If be that your father or mother go the house. But the house, the documents of the house go be your name. You let them know say now you get the house. He say na lie. He say na lie. As me tell me the senior stuff for my mother. All of the girls, they don't do that for my mother because they don't say that you know me get the house. They don't say me get the house. Because if you beat on my family have to go beat. I'm not asking you to take out your family. But you go tell me, move to this house, you say, you will do that for your papa. If you get money, you will do that for your papa, not saying not be. But not be your first house, you want to salary.
Thank God, you say you did social hand. Now, what's me and settle 2 of na 4. My sister, go to see your children every weekend first. If you go there, no quarrel, do cleaning, play with your children. If you want to sleep, you sleep. If you don't want to sleep, you go back to your house. See, when we not go understand yourself well. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll call me tomorrow before 12. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
God bless you. Don't worry. Everything will be all right. In the name of Jesus.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, good night.
Hello, brother. A comment. As a comment here, one. As a comment here. You want to comment to my yeah. So every what forget to comment. On my mind, you come back one. Come.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ihe calling now miss you. I told one better no so no wagon. The making I kiss one. Hello, God bless you.
Hello, Mama.
Hello.
I probably
Listen. Go side to where.
He can call his life with you, but to me, no. Yeah, quite because I can now when I go in. Go if I am a regime, I won't like Baru. I say, not going. Opiani on my done, because Opiake do a record or maybe warrior. Opia guafu. But in a cabana, mammy, no make a sense of work, but I ego, the or I'm more work in Nigeria. Only a rubbish. Okay, Opia beer. Open in my biome valley, the army season. Do you pay me, be, when your jaria, your mama son. Your son. Okay,
Wanyanyajo. Ya seto here, wanyanyajo. One mama, wanyanyajo, ya seto here.
Mama, it's my nyanya because in the anytime no hair frustrated kudu or she. Because mother frustrated away, but now you love. So that's the 10 years near, and 10 years, then I no hearing no one. Udo avo we making me about making the near Kuveno Heki. Do Gabihu. Obama Opiani Emma, my mother that's not settling. When no water no hair money, then in your hair for no. All them may be able to settle. Opiani done okay, you know, Cabana, you might love any woman. Who be you? Because
I go me na. Do no settle. I settle. I may zokpa na settle. Na settle here. I go me na wo. Ati eti onta.
Because no ya mu.
Many
of them go. You may call in life with you with the but no na.
Age omuwe.
Mama.
Age omuwe wo. I settle here. Ka wesi. Wala wo I settle here. Eti onta. Hello.
Will you refer to
where?
Mommy, was settling now, but I'm getting that time. Emma. It getting no one. We should wear your worry. Only will be doing rubber. If the other thing we bless is rubber, you don't be road go. That kind of money will my sister. Because a man, anywhere you go, Tuti always said they are biasa. Na man watch this man short you would need to
you no go send Harry Grant. Away family organ no ego or see another go ya gbegbe aga sisi ya no ego no mi go mu ya that ego gun yen ya amu no mu ni ya. Oh yeah, go on.
Mali gun say to amu ni o adult sinani. O marketing no sick then ni man ken because you really need the money. You need it. We come what one no kwaba we nene go wa paying ye. Actually because you really need to go. You really need to go. So again, it's now for me. Even though say we social say for me, I prefer where in a while that. Where is the right thing here? Me understand. So that you will get right. If the matter won't boss, make the boss. Now what is your baby that one?
Yeah, ma when I do me be every year wa mu ye koti. Oma when I do me be ojo oma ya be ba nete ba no be na. E ba no be.
But mommy, if we need any man and ma na get tamata wa me comment is very very no. Largely tamata. Yeah, well, maybe we don't know most of the commenters, but the commenters, most of them are still telling the truth. Yes. In you, Emma, why go to carry one? Why get comment? You are done, you. Emma, no feel with it. The life in your market for me. Then they get no wa bargain, no cooking, for me, on me,
what's it? Yeah, me. Era ya seto wala wo. Hello, waniko. Era ya seto wala. Even I ya seto ya mano set unas. Aya ni de hello. Walo en wa ya watching beside to wa hello.
So mommy yo ya talk be.
Isa wi je me who got so side je.
I say mommy.
Oh je.
Mommy ebe no wa e kan lo pe ana. Ebe no wa ka ewe owe no pe a no ya nwina. Ni pe agwino po no ku ni agba oge.
Beti yen wina na.
Oku ogba no ko gba oge mo no gba ogwa no gba oge mo no ni re bi oni ya ni re ya gwinya wi adi agbon. No pa na we o ma me emi accuse no kan te accuse ko na e ban we no kan ya TV mo o me o push e no ya gbasawo I can something no ya no because always of you mo wa ya gbasawo we so ko ni kere ni ma era ni o ma jo when I get you and we use that thing o pe a o ya nwe na re gure ya gba oge mo ori no ko ni ya gba oge mo de be no ma kai o pe ala agwin yen won sa lo bo a ona eri no ano anything o gwin yen won sa lo bo a o ko gba o go mo be ni be no ma kai o ko ai ga nwi na ne iri gore na miegwe agi ya gba oge o pe o iri go no pe ani no ya gba o go mo o pe ani obi oku ni na ira o pe aweri oni ebe no wa ma je beri o ni na wi en won sa ha bole ni ne ni go na no ana flivi mo gbe nku ije jaje apidun ha e gwa kukomo be to so ba he ge gwa kukomo na bio mo ne yo bio we ge gwa kukomo wo to go na mo na mo ni je ko ni ebe ni ebi no mo ha o no mo ye ko for 9 months. Etangi gwa kukomo na mairi na yagba ugo mo 50-50. Fine, 50-50 wa vero veri yo pone. O were we una roe no na si we. Da bia diowa. E moni diwe. Vedori yo ponie. Okay na iwa use that na le yo no. Ano ba tu we leva sirani. Okuni, everything gbagbe gwan. Mommy, imie if Europe never wona. Iya Iye wina, nya ba ogomo ugwa. Awo mese ni buni. Awo mese ni buna wi gbedo. Igbedo oje. Igbedo to no na.
You wa be praising ya be na. Ebi no ma diemo. You wa be praising igbedo be na. Hey!
Igbedo oje.
Ebi no ma diemo. hey, uno nata jotare.
Oje, ni edweki na. Agwa, etunu. Awo ko se mo ani ni ya ni edu akoko. Eyi agwa. Etunu. Ikpes agwa, tese duro na, ikpeto duro na. Eri big boreje. Etunu na. De tikpi opo. Iye nwena momi miya ne. Igwa me va no wa sikere. Iye agwa kinda bagin la bidun yaknya. Owo kinya nwena. Owo kinya waji nwena. Owo kinya igwa bi owa ko kegbe no mo no oga fun e. Owo kinya ya nwena. Di ma ga ru gwa ogba ogomo. Emi na sapa